This is a love reading for you, Scorpio, you and your love interest. And in this reading, I'm going to do a heart shape spread to see how's the guidance for you. And maybe it is your partner or somebody you have a crush on, or you want to, date or know, or get married to. So, this is a general reading. Everything will not resonate as it is with all Scorpio, and whatever may look like is talking to you will vary in the intensity. So, let us see how are the cards. Who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner? Likewise, your partner has about you. What is the past you are coming from, your partner is coming from, and how's overall the love reading? So, let us see. You come from a very good family, and it's quite possible the two of you are connected or introduced through a common friend or some family member. I'm also seeing is that Scorpio, your parents have had a very good marriage. So, you have this very great emotional depth in you while you're still very young. So, I'm seeing there is a certain emotional stability that you bring to the table despite being young, because you have seen a very steady, good, and happy marriage of your parents. So, also, you're someone who cares a lot about a loved one's advice. So, this partner is very precious to you. So, whatever as a partner you tell Scorpio, he or she takes it in lot of seriousness and holds it very close to their heart. Now, who are you as a partner? I'm seeing that you don't open your heart so easily to people, and you won't let people in that easy or that well. For as a partner to Scorpio, you may still have not welcomed Scorpio's lot of friends or extended family into your fold just yet. You may be keeping them away or playing a little bit cold. You're not yet letting people in so quickly. Just how I see these two cards, I'm seeing that you both may be very young, and maybe it is a first time serious relationship or dating, or just even if it is on the uh, helm of getting married, to the two of you, I'm seeing you both are still getting to know each other, because overall I'm seeing very young people here. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? You both are very blessed, very very blessed. I'm seeing there's a lot of money coming your way. Maybe it is coming from a loved one's advice, or just how to go about doing things. I'm seeing a lot of money. You bring a lot of financial stability. So, you have this emotional strength and stability that you bring, and you also bring a lot of financial stability. So, going good, Scorpio, overall, how your situation is. Your partner is also very blessed and has things, coming their way fairly easy, just like you. The two of you somehow have a very good stroke of luck, or you both may be from very affluent families. So I'm just saying people who are very blessed, are very well educated, and are young, and things are now moving the love route. So I'm seeing the two of you may be from very affluent, well-to-do families, and you both have educated very well. So you bring a lot of money and stability, and your partner is overall very well-to-do. He or she also must be making a lot of money, and is possibly going to start or get into a new career. So a lot of promise here of good future, and looks like you both will do very well. Also, you both complement each other in terms of your backgrounds. I'm seeing the two of you come from very similar old money kind of a background, so you both complement each other. And as I said, you both may have been introduced through some common family person. Now, how do you see your partner and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who's at a very good position, and despite maybe being young or starting out, he or she has a lot of authority, and you see this person as someone you want to get married to. It's almost like Scorpio, you've been hinted or told that this is the person you should make it work with, and you see this person truly in that light. So I'm seeing that you see your partner with a lot of authority, and handling affairs or maybe even handling business with lot of polish and all that is needed to run it like a pro. Your partner sees you as who you truly are, very young, starting out, not so sure a lot of times, and he or she may be telling you that don't make promises too quickly or don't move too fast. So be careful with your words. Don't sign on any paper. So your partner has a lot of advice to give you. He or she also feels that you should check back everything before moving ahead. So it's not a controlling energy, but your partner truly wants to help you in moving right or doing things right in many ways. So he or she wants you to check back before you move ahead or take the next step. It's quite possible your partner may be helping you with a lot of things, maybe study wise or career wise. So he or she wants you to, take their advice or help, or that you go back and check things with him or her. Now, what is the hope or fear your partner has about the future with you, Scorpio? And likewise, you have about the future with your partner. About the future, you see your partner as someone who brings or meets you half the way. You believe that this partner is a for keeps and this marriage will work. And whatever you have to give emotionally or as a promise, your partner will hold it together. You're quite convinced or sure that things will work out together. You both are very convinced. This is how you believe that the two of you are convinced and things will work out. And cards are overall very good. Nothing tells me things would not work out. It's telling me it's all good. You both seem to be doing well for yourself. About the future, your partner believes you may be someone who may be rushing into things, and you may want to wait for a couple of fights and then check if you still want marriage or you want long term, because things are going smooth. Maybe you both have not yet fought that badly, or things have not gone out of hand, or maybe you both have not stayed away from each other for too long. So you believe as a partner that Scorpio's love will be tested when some tough times or tough situations will show up, and only then you would know if you both want future together. So this is just how you feel. So it's just that you feel the relationship needs to go a bit of test of time for things to then show up whether it's as rosy and good as it is looking right now. Now, what is the past you're coming from, Scorpio, and what is the past your partner is coming from? So in the past, I'm saying is you wanted to go ahead with certain plans and then you just didn't. Maybe because you were too young or nobody allowed you, because it was on family money, or you were, living off the family money. So I'm just saying certain things that you wanted to do, you did not do it because you did not have the freedom, or your family did not agree with it. So you bring that bit of energy of maybe you could have succeeded if you had done things your way, or you had gotten things the way you wanted it. In the past, I'm seeing your partner is nursing a broken heart. He or she is starting to heal. Your partner may not be so welcoming or not taking people in to their fold so quickly. It is also because in the past he or she's gotten very offended or affected by some people, so they want to be very careful who they offer their love and heart to. So your partner is playing very, very cautious, Scorpio. He or she will take time to open up to your family, friends, and extended family. It's quite possible when you call for some family time together or call your partner over, he or she makes excuses. It's quite possible. So I'm seeing here it is because of a certain hurt in the past, but your partner has healed. It's taken their time and they have healed. So how's overall the reading for this relationship? One, this is telling me right now it's not going to move too quickly, or it's going to take time. So whichever way the two of you want things to move, it's going to take time, and neither of you want to be steering this relationship. I am seeing, Scorpio, you don't want to tell your partner let's do it and move things like this, neither is your partner telling you. The reason is you both want it to play out in a whichever way, and then as in how the situation shows up, you want to see how you will handle it. So I'm just saying right now, neither of you are wanting to steer this relationship. You're okay with as a day comes along or how it shows up, and then you are in a wait and watch game. So cards are looking good, and since the two of you are very young, or this is somehow reflecting very young energy to me, maybe it's possible the two of you are middle aged, and you've had your success and failures with dating or with the marriage, and maybe it's the second time or third time for some of you, but I'm seeing a very young energy, which means you may have kept your emotions and emotions and mind very unaffected with all the sadness and botheration you went through in the past. So when I see this guidance, it's telling me the two people in this love relationship don't want to take things into their hands and start telling the other person how to do it. You both are giving free hand and just letting things move and shape up the way it will. So you both are willing to give as long and as much time as it will take.